I think this is the second time we have associated with House Studio and specifically Harish Bhai. And I think he has done a tremendous job in both the projects, as you can see. I think what interests me and what inspired me is the countless number of hours that he spent, in the entire project to convert our actual vision into
Correct.
reality. And I think there were multiple discussions, but I think one best thing about him is that he generally tries to understand the needs and preferences of his customers, and I think that inspired and motivated us to get associated with him for the second time. Also, अगर आप देखेंगे तो we always wanted a kind of integration of style and sophistication. Both of us were more keen towards both the aspects, and you will see that throughout that pinch in each and every room of ours. The kind of colors that he has chosen for the furniture, the lightings, the arrangement and position of the lights, very important. The wall, if you can see in the wall just behind us, I think everything is a perfect combination of style as well as sophistication.
हरीश भाई का ये प्रोजेक्ट आई थिंक वी बोथ हैड अ लॉट ऑफ डिस्कशन बिफोर स्टार्टेड दिस प्रोजेक्ट. एक तो उनका वैरायटी काफ़ी है. आप एक आइडियाज़ लेके आओ तो उसके लिए वो 4 अलग चीज़ें लेके आते हैं विच आई रियली लाइक ऑन इट. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट द सर्विसेज. तो एक और काम तो कंप्लीट हो जाता है व्हेन यू गो फॉर 2, 3, 4 BHK. तो कुछ माइन्यूट चीज़ें रह जाती है. तो वहाँ पे जो वो हेल्प करते आगे जाके, दैट्स अ वेरी यूनिक थिंग विच जनरली कहीं देखते नहीं है. वो आपको सर्विस बाद में मिलता नहीं है. और मैं आई थिंक 6-7 साल से हूँ. मेरा दूसरा घर और मेरे रिलेटिव्स का आई थिंक मोर देन 15 होम्स तो उन्होंने अच्छे से डेकोरेट किया. सो दैट्स रीजन वी रियली अप्रिशिएट हिम फॉर हिज वर्क.
Yeah. I think yes, the post handover services which he tries to give is amazing. I think he and his entire team, I think they are very cooperative. So I think beyond his exceptional skills as a designer, like I said, his commitment and dedication is something that we really get inspired with. And I think both of us will suggest House Studio to everyone. We will recommend it strongly. Thanks.
And they have a complete interior setup there in their house studio. So go and have a visit and check.
Yeah, hundreds of designs, and he would specifically and personally take you to choose all those designs, as per your comfort and time convenience, which is also I think pretty good since both of us are working. And whatever little time that we get, he ensures that he's giving us full attention, and he takes us to choose whatever we want. And I think he has a lot of network. I would say he's quite networked in this industry, so that also places him different from others.